Hello students, let us learn today operations on polynomials.
Before this, we have studied polynomials and types of polynomials based on their degrees and the terms they have. The link of that video is given in the description. You can watch the same.
In this session, we are going to learn the operations which are being done on the polynomials. As there are four operations which can be done on numbers, that is the additions, subtraction, multiplication and division, the same operations are there which we are going to learn in this session. So let's start with the addition of polynomials. For this one, let us have an example. By solving this, we are going to know how to add the polynomials. The problem is add 3m square n plus 5mn square minus 7mn and 2m square n minus mn square plus mn. To start with, we have to take the first polynomial, that is 3m square n plus 5mn square minus 7mn, and we have to add the second polynomial to it. So we write here plus 2m square n minus mn square plus mn, which is the second polynomial. So the next step is we arrange the terms in the first polynomial and the second polynomials by removing the brackets. So we have 3m square n plus 5mn square minus 7mn plus 2m square n minus mn square plus mn. Now in these two polynomials, we have some like terms. That is, we have 3mn square and we have 2m square n. So we'll write them together. That is 3m square n plus 2m square n. Similarly, 5mn square and minus mn square are also the like terms. So we will write them together. That is 5mn square minus mn square. And the remaining terms are minus 7mn plus mn, which are again the like terms. Now as these two are like terms, we can add their coefficients, that is
3m square n plus
2m square n, we will get it as 5m square n. Similarly, second two terms are also like terms, so we can do the subtraction of the coefficients of them, that is 5mn square minus mn square, we will get 5 minus 1, that's 4mn square. And similarly, in the last pair of like terms, we have minus 7mn plus mn. So minus 7 plus 1, we will get minus 6mn. So this is the polynomial that we get after adding these two polynomials given. So the polynomial we get is 5m square n plus 4mn square minus 6mn. So this is how we can add any two polynomials. Now let us consider the next operation, that is the subtraction of polynomials. For this again, let us have one example. Subtract 5a square minus 2a from the polynomial 7a square plus 5a plus 6. So again we have to start with, we have to subtract this first polynomial from the second one. That's why we have to write the second polynomial firstly, that is 7a square plus 5a plus 6 minus, we have to subtract the polynomial, so we should keep that in bracket, that is 5a square minus 2a. One thing should be noted here, that the polynomial that we are going to subtract must be in a bracket. So the next step, we have to remove these brackets. So we'll write the first polynomial as it is 7a square plus 5a plus 6. Now while removing the bracket, one thing should be noted here, that outside the bracket there is minus sign. So after removing this bracket, you have to change the sign of each term in the bracket. That is plus 5a square will become minus 5a square and minus 2a will become plus 2a. And now we have to find the similar terms in all of these terms. So as you can see, 7a square and 5a square are the similar terms. So we'll write them together, that is 7a square minus 5a square. 5a and 2a are the like terms again, so we should have them together, 5a plus 2a plus 6, which is the only constant term over here. So if we solve first two terms, that is 7a square minus 5a square, we get 2a square, as 7 minus 5 is 2. 5a and 2a are also like terms, so we should add them. That is 5a plus 2a, we will get 7a, and the 6, that is the constant term, as it is. So this is the polynomial we get after subtracting 5a square minus 2a from 7a square plus 5a plus 6. So the polynomial we get is 2a square plus 7a plus 6. So this is the way by which we can subtract polynomials. I hope you understand the concept. Thanks for watching.